we will be discussing problem number 5 on calculation of cost of goods sold. Okay, in the last lecture we had discussed how to calculate total cost of production. Now, what is meant by cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold is nothing but total cost of production adjusted for the opening and closing stock of finished goods. Okay, here the value of finished goods is adjusted, and what we get post the adjustment of finished goods is the cost of goods sold. So what we basically do in calculation of cost of goods sold is that we take the total cost of production, and in that we add the opening stock of finished goods and less the closing stock of finished goods. The adjustment is same which we followed in work in progress and in raw materials. Okay, so the same adjustment we will be doing here also. So a small problem we will be solving, problem number 5. Total cost of production is already given, we just need to find out the cost of goods sold. So we'll make a statement showing total cost of goods sold, and in that we will begin with the total cost of production. The total cost of production is already given. If it is not given, then we can calculate it like this. See, in problem number 4 we calculated total cost of production. It is what? Prime cost plus factory cost plus office and administration overheads. So the total cost of production is already given here. We will write that total cost of production. Okay, what is the total cost of production amount? It's 1,22,000, and in this value we will just add and deduct the amount of opening and closing stock of finished goods. So we will add opening stock of finished goods and less closing stock of finished goods. Okay, so what is the opening stock of finished goods? It's 12,000. So we will add 12,000, and closing stock of finished goods is 16,000. So we will less 16,000. Now, from in 1,22,000 you add 12,000 and you deduct 16,000, you will get a value of 1,18,000, and this is the cost of goods sold. Okay, this is cost of goods sold, and this is the value of our problem number 5.